Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable mic on Discord on your phone. First of all, what you have to do is open your Discord app on your phone. From here, what you have to do is go to your U section on the bottom right corner. From here, you have to go to the settings, scroll down a bit until you see voice. Click on voice. From here, you have to change the input mode from push to talk to voice activity. Click on voice activity. From here, you have to turn up the volume all the way to the maximum, and you have to make sure that you have to turn off this noise suppression once it's turned off. And then you have to go to the app info of your Discord application. How to go to the app info? Go to the recent apps, click on the Discord icon. From here you will see an option called app info. Click on it. From here you have to go to the permissions, to the microphone, and you have to make sure that it is set to allow only while using the application. If it's selected the don't allow, you have to select this option in the top corner. Okay, so after doing all of these steps, you have to restart your phone once, and after starting your phone, your mic issue will be solved. And that's how to enable microphone on Discord on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.